your videos to have a certain level of quality. So you want to really look at your footage and look for anything that might not be good. I think most people know. Make sure things are in focus. Make sure your exposure is set. The people aren't adjusting their exposure as they go and their gain. Same with white balance, so they're not, in the middle of a shot changing their white balance. There's no shakes, no bumps. Your audio, there's no feedback or pops, that type of thing. But a lot of times, little shakes or bumps will get in the shot, so you really have to look for them. Sometimes people just overlook that, or their standards are at a level where it's okay. They're okay with having a bump. Personally, I don't. I like to cut as much as I can out, or find a way around it by, if no shots are usable, still cut it and figure out a creative way to make the shot or make the edit work without having that little bit of footage. So if I'm just going through introductions, and there's going to be a lot of like little things with the camera, so you can see something like, a lot of times you'll get something where someone might want to use something like this, or even right here. They might say, hey, I'm gonna use it right here, and so that's decent, I guess. If that's your only shot. I wish it was closer, but some of this here, obviously, I would say something like that. I wouldn't really want that, so I'd cut to there. In fact, I'd leave a lot of that in there if I can, until they leave the shot. But you're looking for those little, you don't want to leave that type of stuff in there like that. So you at least want to cut that out. And sometimes it's a little more straightforward in this edit, I'd say. But you'd be surprised at what people find acceptable, or just want to rush through it, and a lot of times you miss stuff. So you really have to be looking for little things like that.